Are you wondering about the Prescott area real estate market? If sales are up or down, where prices are headed, and most important, what that means for you. Hi, I'm Jay Allen from Coldwell Banker Northland, and I have the latest numbers for you now. And also we'll take a look at what price range of homes are the hottest selling right now. So let's take a look at the numbers. We'll be looking at the month of July 2026 and comparing with last year at this time. So the first number that stands out to me is the sales, which was 371 for this July compared to 367 last year. So that was just a really small increase of just over 1%. Then the number of new listings this year, 505 compared to last year's 535. So that's a slight decrease of 5.6%. Next, let's look at the number of active listings in inventory. This year we have 1,629 at the end of July compared to 1,801 last year. That was a really high volume last year. Not very good for sellers. It made for a lot of competition, but I'm sure buyers enjoyed having that much inventory to choose from. Next, let's look at the number of days on market to get your home sold. And this is some good news for sellers. That is down 11.4% to 39 days compared to last year's 44. And the last category for this part of the report is the pending sales. And that's up only a slight amount at 1.3% at 379 compared to last year's 374. And I don't know if you saw last month's report, but we were up about 45% in the number of pending sales, which was very exciting to see. So I don't know if that influenced this month. We'll have to wait maybe till next month to see if we're seeing any kind of a trend forming. Now let's take a look at the number of homes sold in each price range. So for 500,000 and below, this month was 192 compared to last month of June, 197. The next price range, 500,000 to 800,000, we had 124 this month compared to 104 last month. So that's a pretty good increase for that price range. The next price range is 800,000 to up to 1 million. For this month, it was 25 compared to 31 for last month. And the final category, the 1 million plus, this month we had 29 sales compared to last month of 25. And you know, this is the category that has actually seen the hottest activity lately for the last several months. And I think it was back in March that, according to the Wall Street Journal and Realtor.com, in its luxury market rankings, that Prescott had moved up to 10th from the 18th spot. So Prescott is proving that it is now a luxury market destination with the trend of at least 3 months of increased sales. So that's exciting. So what do these numbers mean for buyers and sellers right now? Well, sellers, you don't have the competition that you had last summer when we had over 1,800 listings, but 1,629 listings is still a healthy amount of competition. So you want to get your home looking really great before you get on the market, and choose an agent that you know is going to have a really good marketing strategy to get your home out there in front of the buyers. And for buyers right now, we have a great inventory of 1,629 available properties. We certainly aren't seeing the interest rate drop that we had hoped to. However, there's still a lot of good reasons to buy in Prescott now. If you'd like to know what today's market means for your home and your next move, give me a call. I'm Jay Allen. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you soon.